Enjoy life to the fullest. Sulitin ang buhay. Keep going. Tuloy lang. Cheer up. Ngiti ka naman. Don't lose hope. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa. You've got this. Kaya mo yan. Hang in there. Kapit lang. That's good to know. Mabuti at nalaman ko. At least. Kahit papaano. As far as I know. Sa pagkakaalam ko. Believe it or not. Sa maniwala ka o hindi. Long story short. Sa madaling salita. Consider it done. Tapos na iyan. Leave it to me. Ako na ang bahala. Sounds good to me. Ayos sa akin. Count me in. Sama ako. It could be worse. Buti hindi mas malala. Sorry to hear that. Nalulungkot akong marinig yan. That's amazing. Ang galing naman. Been there, done that. Naranasan ko na iyan. That rings a bell. Parang pamilyar. I have no idea. Wala akong alam. You may be right. Baka tama ka. Things will work out. Magiging maayos rin yan. It's not the end of the world. Hindi pa katapusan ng mundo. Easier said than done. Madaling sabihin, mahirap gawin. I doubt it. Duda ko. Suit yourself. Ikaw bahala. Whatever works. Kung ano ang mabuti. It's up to you. Bahala ka. You read my mind. Pareho tayo ng iniisip. What a coincidence. Nagkataon lang. Lucky you. Swerte mo naman. Fingers crossed. Sana nga. Time will tell. Malalaman din natin. Better late than never. Buti ng huli kaysa wala. No rush. Hindi naman nagmamadali. Take your time. Dahan-dahan lang. Not a big deal. Ayos lang yan. No worries. Ayos lang. It's worth trying. Sulit subukan. You never know. Malay mo. I see what you mean. Kuha ko sinasabi mo. Tomorrow is another day. May bukas pa. Stay optimistic. Manatiling positibo. That makes sense. May katwiran yan. Fair enough. Makatarungan naman. Come to think of it. Isipin mo. You never know. Hindi mo masasabi. That's the spirit. Iyan ang tamang pag-iisip. Keep it up. Ipagpatuloy mo yan. Good for you. Mabuti para sa'yo. I suppose so. Sa tingin ko nga. One at a time. Isa-isa lang. You have my attention. Nakikinig ako ng mabuti. That's a tough one. Mahirap yan. I wouldn't mind. Wala akong tutol. I'm all for it. Kasali ako riyan. Let's go for it. Subukan natin. Leave it to me. Ipaubaya mo sa akin. I'm on it. Aasikasuhin ko na. It slipped my mind. Nakalimutan ko. Not necessarily. Hindi naman kailangan. Speaking of which, dahil nabanggit yan, that reminds me. Naalala ko tuloy. I couldn't ask for more. Wala na akong mahihiling pa. I'm looking forward to it. Inaasahan ko yan. That sounds promising. Mukhang maganda yan. I can see that. Nakikita ko nga. It's no surprise. Hindi nakapagtataka. I owe it to you. Utang ko yan sa'yo. Don't mention it. Huwag mo nang banggitin. That's very kind of you. Ang bait mo naman. You're too kind. Napakabait mo naman. I beg to differ. Iba ang pananaw ko. That crossed my mind. Naisip ko rin yan. It's anyone's guess. Mahirap hulaan. I couldn't tell you. Hindi ko masasabi sa'yo. I'll keep that in mind. Tatandaan ko yan. I'll think about it. Pag-iisipan ko yan. Let me sleep on it. Pag-iisipan ko muna. Hold on a second. Sandali lang. Take it easy. Dahan-dahan lang. We'll figure it out. Mahahanap natin ang sagot. Let's make it happen. Gawin natin ito. We can work with that. Magagamit natin yan. That's manageable. Kaya naman yan. It's a work in progress. Ginagawa pa yan. We'll get there. Mararating natin yan. Things are looking up. Gumagaan ang sitwasyon. That's a game changer. Malaking pagbabago yan. Likewise to you. Ganoon rin sa'yo. I hope things get better. Sana maging maayos ang lahat. Nothing is certain. Walang kasiguruhan. Time will tell. Panahon ang makapagsasabi. It's hard to tell. Mahirap sabihin. Thanks for the tip. Salamat sa payo. I'll take note of that. Tatandaan ko yan. Don't hesitate. Huwag kang mag-atubili. Feel free to ask. Malaya kang magtanong. I'll get back to you. Babalikan kita. Keep me posted. Ibalita mo sa akin. Let me know. Sabihin mo sa akin. Sorry for inconvenience. Paumanhin sa abala. Would you mind? Maari ba? Let's make a deal. Magkasundo tayo. It's crystal clear. Napakalinaw. By all means. Siyempre. Little by little. Paunti-unti. For the time being. Sa ngayon. At the end of the day. Sa huli. Live and learn. Matuto sa karanasan. It came out of nowhere. Bigla na lang nangyari. At the right time. Sa tamang panahon. As it appears. Kung ano ang nakikita. That remains to be seen. Makikita pa natin. It's not without merit. May punto rin naman. From my perspective. Sa pananaw ko. Precisely my thoughts. Eksakto ang nasa isip ko. I see it differently. Iba ang tingin ko riyan.